Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are dealing with the aftermath of snagging. As you know, I bought a new build property. I've moved in back in December. There have been some snag, but not many. One of the one I found was one of my wall was not straight. Put a picture somewhere of what it looked like. So I went to the building company and they admitted that it was not within tolerance and they fixed it. And now this is what I have in my living room. So they literally had to cut out a piece of my wall and make it good again. So I've got, a couple of patches. So people would say probably if you had not decorated, you would not have to do that. Yeah, sure. But also if I had not decorated, I would probably not have found the issues that I did. So I've got zero regrets and I don't mind putting a lick of paint on my wall anytime. I'm more than happy to do it. It also made me realize that I didn't really love the color I had. I was going for a gray and it looked more blue with the lighting I had in the house and it was not really the vibe. So I'm going for something completely different. As per, I got some samples. So this time I got some Benjamin Moore samples. You can order them in the UK. It's quite rare, but there's one place where you can get them. I got their Call of the Year 2025. I'll put the swatch there, called Cinnamon Slate. And I got it mixed in B&Q, as I do. So this is what it's going to look like, and this is what we're going to do today. So this here is the Benjamin Moore, and this here is the B&Q mixed. So you can see that it's a slight difference, you can tell. But all in all, it's going to be really nice. I think it's going to brighten the room. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to prime here first, because otherwise I'll miscoat it and then get to painting. And we can also rearrange and put my living room back together, which I did not share with you when I did it first. So there's a big mess over here. So we can style it. Let's go. Let's do it.